Hello students, today we are going to discuss the seventh numerical of sedimentation. Question will be given as find the diameter of the particle that can be removed with 90% efficiency. It means that efficiency will be equals to 90%. Having kinematic viscosity equals to 1.10 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square per second. Surface overflow rate, that is V0, is given as 40 meter cube per day per meter square, and density of particle is 2650 kg per meter cube. So we need to calculate the diameter of particle. Okay, so for the solution or for the calculation of diameter, we need to write the given quantities first. Okay, now the given will be what? Efficiency is given as 90%. Efficiency will be equals to 90%. V0 is also given, that is 40 meter cube per day per meter square, which will be equals to 40 meter per day. Now we want to convert this meter per day into meter per second. So for the conversion of meter per day into meter per second, we need to divide this value by 24 into 3600, and we will get the answer of V0 as 4.629 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second. Okay. Now kinematic viscosity is also given, which will be equals to 1.10 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square per second, and rho of particle is given, that will be equals to 2650 kg per meter cube. Now we want to calculate the specific gravity. Specific gravity will be what? Rho of particle upon rho of standard fluid, which will be the density of water. So rho of particle will be equals to 2650 and rho of water will be equals to 1000. So we get the value of capital G as 2.65. That will be the specific gravity of particle. Okay. Now efficiency is 90%. The formula of efficiency is Vs upon V0 into 100. Now efficiency is 90%. It means what? Vs will be equals to 0.9 times of V0. Okay. So we just write the value of V0 here. That will be equals to 4.629 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second. When you multiply the 4.629 into 10 to the power minus 4 with 0.9, you will get the answer of settling velocity, which will be equals to 4.167 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second. Okay, now we need to calculate the diameter of particle that will be removed with 90% efficiency. So settling velocity formula will be equals to what? Gd square upon 18 nu into g minus 1. Why we use that formula? Because kinematic viscosity is given in the question. So for the calculation of diameter, what will be the formula? 18 nu into Vs upon g into g minus 1. So 18 new value will be equals to 1.10 into 10 to the power minus 6, and setting velocity will be equals to 4.167 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now small g will be equals to 9.81 meter per second square, as well as capital G will be equals to 2.65 minus 1. When you solve this whole value and when you compute the d value from here, it will be equals to 2.257 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. But we need the diameter of particle in mm. So when we convert this value into mm, it will be equals to 0.0225 mm. That will be the diameter of particle that can be removed with 90% efficiency. That is the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.